How to apply for Ryanair cabin crew. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can apply for Ryanair cabin crew. So how can you do this? It is very simple. Just follow me to the end of this video. The first step is to open your web browser, just like I have done here. And then once your web browser is opened, in the search bar, just type out the question which says that how to apply for Ryanair cabin crew. All right, and then you click on the enter button, and then once you've done that, you will go to the home page where you see cabin crew opportunities. And then by the time you scroll down, you see other similar questions like what qualifications. You can see the recruitment processes, you can see careers, etc. So for you to, the first step is for you to know the requirements, all right, for you to know if you're eligible to apply for this job. And then once you click on the Ryan Kabiku requirements, the page would load, and then you'll be redirected to another page where you can now continue the recruitment process. All right. Once the page has loaded and you can see the page, you can see crew life, etc. Just scroll down until you see the subheading which says cabin crew requirements. So this is the requirements here, and then scroll down for you to read it properly. So it says you are above 18 years old. Africans must have or restricted access or rights to live or work in the UK. Just read through all of this to be sure if you are eligible for the recruitment process. And then this is the salary and the other benefits. And then once you've checked through all of this and you see that you are eligible, just come over here and you can see this right in the sheet. Click here to see Ryan's current cabin crew vacancies in the UK. And then once you click on it, the page would load, and then you'll be redirected to another page which talks about Ryanair careers. All right. So once it has loaded, you can see the number of jobs here: the IT, office jobs, ground operations, graduate programs, etc. So you can just scroll down to check out the one that applies to you. And then once you've seen the one that applies to you, you can click on view details. And once you're on the view details page, from there you'll be able to apply for a job. So this is how you can apply for Ryanair cabin crew. It is very direct. Ensure you try it out. Thanks for watching.